Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, thank you for being here. If you're returning, you are awesome, you rock. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a very simple dice, this time on an onion, okay? Won't hold you up. Let's go. So first you want to cut your onion in half. I've already done so that you have a nice flat surface to work with. Make sure your onion is peeled. Go ahead and cut this top part off so you don't have whatever that is. Now the onion is a bit more tricky than a bell pepper because it's not just simply down, julienne, and cut. What you want to do is first, you want to do like a little slit going horizontally like so. You want to do that starting from the bottom, working your way up the onion. Now because this is a different technique, you want to be very careful to not take any of your fingers with it, all right? Let me see if you guys can see that. Have some horizontal slices there. After you have done that, going this way, let me turn so you guys can see it. You're just going to go down, make slits going that way, okay? Don't worry about the pieces that are coming out. You can just slide those out of your way so that you don't have a mess going there. Because after you have gone horizontally and then this way, so as you can see, I have my cuts going up and down like so. Now you can take your chef's claw and dice. Now I'm sure there's a much simpler way, but this is the way that I was taught. So take a look at that. You have really beautiful, even dices of onion. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Thank you guys for watching.